Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another hair review for you guys, but in addition to that, I included how I washed, styled, and laid this hair. So if you're loving these curls just as much as I am, just continue watching. I mean, look at how bouncy and soft these curls are. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is how the hair looked straight out of the packaging. Right away, I fell in love with the tightness and density of this hair. So after I was done making this into a wig, this is how it came out, and I was so excited. But wait, let's get a close-up on this closure. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I mean, yes, this closure is already pre-plucked and it has baby hairs. Like, I'm so happy I don't have to put in that much work. When I was shopping around for kinky curly hair, I came across Chrissy's hair tutorial, and this is what she said to do. So I began with shampooing the hair with my Aussie Moist shampoo, and then I washed it out. Then I took Aussie's New Miracle Curls conditioner and I finger combed it through the hair, and guys, I love this conditioner. It gives so much slip and it works well with my natural hair too, so I really recommend this conditioner. Then I brushed the hair with a paddle brush to clump the curls together, and look at how easy it was to brush through. Like, I was actually surprised. I hope you guys are noticing that I am barely getting any shedded hair when I'm doing this. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I ran through the hair with the paddle brush again, and I was so impressed with the closure. Like, it looked really good for it not have been bleached or plucked or touched at all whatsoever. Guys, this is all the shaded hair that I got from brushing it, washing it, finger combing it, and everything. So to get back to Chrissy's tutorial, I took this oldie but goodie leave-in conditioner by Can 2, and this was all I used for the whole wig. I brushed it through to make sure it was evenly distributed, and then I began finger coiling it. Literally, all you have to do is take a clump of hair and twist it around your finger while moving downwards, and that's it. So I'm gonna speed through this part and then come back when I'm finished. I know you guys are probably wondering how long does that take, because it looks really tedious. It only took me 10 minutes, and that right there is satisfying. Lastly, I just wanted to lay the baby hair so it could look cute in the thumbnail, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and by the way guys, this hair was dripping wet when I did this, but if your hair is dry, you can always take a spray bottle and wet it with some water to do this method. And guys, this is how much hair I had left over. It's practically a whole bundle. and I really did try to fit it on the wig cap, but there was no room for it whatsoever, so I just left it out. This is a couple days later, and this is what it turned out like. So now I'm gonna plop it on my head and show you guys how I apply it and melt down that lace. Curls are so popping. I love them. Guys, look at this. Like, come on now. Oh, and it looks so real. I'm so excited. Now that that's melted, I'm going to take my mousse, olive oil mousse, and slick my baby hairs. Slicking that down, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy scarf again, and I'm too excited to wait any longer, so I'm just gonna take off the scarf. Who gets this excited about hair? Only me. Okay, wait. The reveal. I didn't put any concealer in the closure or anything. All I did was slick down the baby hairs, and look at how good it looks. Hey guys, so this is the hair, and it came out so pretty. It's so bomb and full, and this is not even all 3 bundles. The lengths were, it was a 16-inch closure with 18, 20, and 22. And then I have most of my 18-inch bundle left. Like, I didn't have to use all of it, and look at how full it is. Exactly how I want my curly hair to look like. It came out so bomb. It's soft, and I just know this hair is gonna last me a while, because curly hair always lasts me a long time. I don't know about you guys, but I just put it on my wig head at nighttime, and that's how I preserve it pretty much. I don't wear my wigs to sleep because I think it's uncomfortable. I feel like it's kind of like having a hat to go to sleep, and no, that's a done deal. Sometimes I will sew like the perimeter because I want to make sure it's secure, but even with just the got to be glue on the closure and slicking down the baby hairs with the mousse, it still feels like pretty secure. Definitely invest in this hair. That's all I have for you guys. This was just a really quick tutorial on how I put my wigs on, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Also give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.